Everything you've touched has been extremely successful.
Not everything. We just hide the stuff that doesn't work.
So what are some of the greatest challenges that you've had or continue to have in all of these varied initiatives?
I think the challenge, to be honest, is the naysayers, the negativity, and even the positive. Because, you know, like I had two very strong people in my life. One was my mother and one was my grandmother. And my grandmother used to say when I was little, she'd say, you know, you're not very clever, all you've got is your looks. And my mother used to say, you know, you're not very pretty, all you've got is your brains. So it was like, well, screw that, you know, I mean, I can't win. And so, you know, you just have to kind of believe in what you believe in. And it sounds really obvious, but you're constantly told you can't do this, or you can do this, or you're too good. And I think that's a big thing today. People say, oh, you're so great. You're so great. You should be a top ballerina. No, maybe you shouldn't be a top ballerina. But you have to go with what feels right. And I think the lesson for people today, these challenges, is we have a generation coming out who've been, I think, mollycoddled and told by their parents that they're brilliant. In my day, you were told you were useless, which was probably a good thing because you only had to go up, you know. Now, you know, with these helicopter parents, and, you know, you're absolutely perfect. Oh, yes, little Johnny's so good. And, oh, look at her doing ballet, you know, and she's 400 pounds. No, she shouldn't be doing ballet. She's useless, you know. And you know, so it's very hard for them today because they're coming out and reality sets in really, really quickly. Like, maybe I'm, you know, Mum told me I was the best, maybe I'm not, and you're probably not. So I think this is the hard thing. And, you know, people will always tell you can do it or you can't. And most people will tell you, you know, you're going to fail. And you probably will fail. And if you ask any entrepreneur, you know, 20 years down the line, or maybe my age, you know, to look back, some of the most successful people in the world, there isn't anybody who will say, I didn't fail at something, but it's the failures, and I'm absolutely convinced of this, that it's the failures or the challenges, as you call them, that actually make you who you are. You know, they're the ones that go, all right, next time I'll do it this way. Next time, you know, I won't trust that person, you know, and sometimes it could take you a year to bounce back. Sometimes it takes you a week, sometimes it might take you a lifetime, but if you make it once, you'll always make it. You know, if you're a great salesman, you can sell anything. You know, if you're a great artist, you can do anything, but you have to kind of get back to reality and get back up there, you know.